Hello, friends! With the United States producing 20% of the world's pork, cutting-edge technology is reshaping farming efficiency, sustainability, and animal welfare. But how does the system work? Who benefits? Why is innovation necessary? Join Trending Farm on this journey through modern processing factories. The U.S. pig industry is a global powerhouse, raising over 73 million pigs annually and supplying 20% of the world's pork. But how does it maintain this dominance while ensuring sustainability and animal welfare? At the heart of this success are processing factories and over 63,000 farms, ranging from small family operations to large industrial sites in Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina. Advanced breeding techniques, including artificial insemination. Farmers favor Yorkshire pigs for their fast growth and resilience, while Berkshire pigs cater to the premium market with superior marbling. With larger, more technologically advanced farms than in Europe and Asia, the U.S. leads in innovation and efficiency. Before adopting high-tech solutions, farmers faced high labor costs, inefficient feeding, and herd management challenges. But how has technology transformed the industry? With automated feeding systems, AI-driven health monitoring, and precision breeding, costs have dropped while efficiency has soared. Processing factories now operate with streamlined automation, ensuring higher meat quality and faster production times. The transition from farm to processing begins when piglets are weaned at 3 to 6 weeks. Optimizing growth and meat consistency. As a result, farmers benefit from higher profits, consumers enjoy better quality pork at lower prices, and the environment thrives with sustainable waste management and reduced emissions. In the U.S. pig industry, precision and timing are crucial for maintaining efficiency and meat quality. But how long does it take before pigs are ready for the processing factory? Typically, pigs reach market weight around 5 to 6 months after breeding, weighing 250 to 280 pounds. Transport workers carefully guide the pigs, following strict handling protocols to reduce stress and ensure animal welfare. This seamless process guarantees high-quality pork benefiting farmers, consumers, and the entire supply chain. Modern processing factories in the U.S. pork industry set global benchmarks for efficiency, quality, and safety through advanced automation and strict regulations. But how do these facilities compare to those in other countries? U.S. plants operate under USDA and HACCP standards, ensuring 99.9% pathogen-free pork through rigorous inspections, temperature-controlled environments, and automated precision cutting. Unlike some countries where manual processing is still common, American facilities use robotics and AI to improve consistency and reduce handling time. After processing, pork is rapidly chilled to below 40 DGF, 4 DGC within hours. Preserving freshness for export to Japan, China, Mexico, and over 100 other countries. Securing the U.S. as a global leader in high-quality pork production. In modern pig farms, waste collection, composting, and recycling play a vital role in maintaining efficiency and sustainability. But how do these systems integrate with a processing factory? Automated waste collection channels manure into biogas systems, converting it into renewable energy used to power farm operations and nearby processing facilities. Meanwhile, composting processes transform organic waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer, supporting crop production for animal feed. Water recycling systems filter and repurpose water, reducing waste and ensuring cleaner operations in both farms and factories. This approach benefits farmers by lowering waste management costs, processing factories by providing sustainable energy sources, and the environment by cutting greenhouse gas emissions. However, challenges remain, including high investment costs for advanced systems and regulatory pressures on emissions and water usage. As the world demands more food with fewer resources, the U.S. pig industry continues to evolve. But is technology alone enough to secure the future of global pork production?
Transporting pigs requires strict adherence to animal welfare standards. They are loaded onto specialized trailers with non-slip flooring and proper ventilation. Pigs should be healthy and fit for travel, with sick animals excluded. Loading is done calmly using boards or paddles, avoiding excessive force. The trailer should maintain a temperature between 50 dec to 77 dec to prevent temperature stress. Pigs are allocated 4.5 to 5.4 square feet per animal to avoid overcrowding. The journey should be kept under 8 hours to minimize stress, with regular checks on the pig's condition. Upon arrival, pigs are unloaded into holding areas where they can rest and rehydrate. Proper handling and monitoring are essential for safe and humane transport. In a food factory, the pork processing process begins with the humane treatment of animals, ensuring that every step is carried out to high ethical standards. Once in the food factory, the removal of internal organs and external dirt is done precisely to maintain the quality of the meat. The next step in the food factory involves a thorough cleaning of the carcass to remove blood, hair, and any contaminants. Once cleaned, the pork is divided into different cuts, such as loin, ribs, and shoulders, with each cut being inspected for safety and quality. The final stage in the food factory is packaging, where the pork is packaged in vacuum or modified atmosphere packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Throughout this process, the food factory maintains strict hygiene and safety standards to deliver high-quality products. Taiwan's pork production is concentrated in 6 key districts, with Yunlin and Pingtung housing over 50% of the So population. Tainan accounts for 13.5%, Changhua 11.2%, Chiayi 8.1%, and Kaohsiung 5.1%. Large farms with 5,000 or more pigs make up only 2% of all farms but raise 22% of the total pig population. Conversely, small farms with fewer than 100 pigs represent 24% of the total but produce less than 1% of domestic pork, with 15% of these small farm owners planning to reduce or stop production as of early 2023. Caring for piglets from birth until weaning involves several key steps. Immediately after birth, piglets should be dried and kept in an environment at around 32-day GC 90 def to prevent hypothermia. Ensuring they receive colostrum within the first 12 hours is crucial for immunity. Iron supplements are typically given within the first 2 to 3 days to prevent anemia, and naval disinfection is performed to ward off infections. The farrowing area must be kept clean and dry, with piglets monitored closely for healthy weight gain. Procedures like tail docking, teeth clipping, and castration should be done within the first week, following proper hygiene. As piglets grow, solid feed is introduced around 10 to 14 days, while weaning usually occurs at 3 to 4 weeks. Throughout this period, they require access to clean water and a stress-free environment to ensure healthy development. Over the past 25 years, Taiwan's pig farming industry has undergone significant changes. In the 1990s, Taiwan had over 500,000 family-run pig farms and more than 1.4 million breeding sows, making it a major pork producer and exporter. However, challenges like disease outbreaks and rising raw material costs led to a consolidation of the industry, reducing the number of farms to about 6,000, which are now more modernized and specialized. By 2023, Taiwan produced around 800,000 tons of pork, a slight decline from 2020, while per capita consumption increased to 39.5 kilograms annually. To meet this demand, Taiwan imported over 121,000 tons of pork in 2023, with Spain supplying about 30,000 tons. Although Taiwan was declared free of foot and mouth disease in 2020 and remains free of African swine fever, the industry still faces challenges in regaining its global competitiveness. The government has invested around 400 million euros to enhance the sector's competitiveness, improve hygiene and biosafety, and boost pork exports, indicating a promising step towards recovery. In factories, treating pig waste involves a process designed to minimize environmental impact and maximize resource recovery. About 70% of the waste is liquid and 30% is solid. Solid waste is converted into compost or organic fertilizer through aerobic composting, reducing its volume by up to 50%. Liquid waste is treated via anaerobic digestion, producing 25 to 30 cubic meters of biogas per ton of waste for energy. The remaining liquid undergoes sedimentation, which removes 60 to 70% of suspended solids, followed by filtration and chemical treatment to remove pathogens and excess nutrients. The treated water, meeting discharge standards, is either released into waterways or reused for irrigation, cutting freshwater use by 20 to 30%. Advanced facilities also employ odor control and nutrient recovery systems to repurpose nitrogen and phosphorus as fertilizers, supporting circular economy practices. Understanding the core processing principles of Taiwanese pork jerky and fried pork floss is essential before diving into their mass production. Pork jerky is made from lean cuts of pork, marinated with flavors like soy sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, and spices, then dried to a chewy texture. Fried pork floss also starts with similar ingredients but involves cooking the meat until tender, then drying it to achieve a fluffy texture. In the food factory, high-quality pork is sourced, inspected, trimmed, and cut into uniform pieces, shredded for jerky and diced for floss. Jerky is dried in industrial dryers or ovens at controlled temperatures and humidity, while pork floss is cooked in large vats and then dried. Spices such as chili powder and black pepper are added to jerky, and flavorings like sesame oil and sugar enhance the floss. After cooling, both products are packaged in airtight containers or vacuum bags to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. In Taiwan, pork floss is priced between $13 and $15 per 165 grams, with pork jerky being more expensive. Both are popular breakfast foods in Taiwan. Don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our videos about world-famous food factories. Pig transportation in China and the United States differs due to scale, transportation methods, and regulations. In China, long distances and large pig production require a variety of transportation methods, including trucks, trains, and ships. In the United States, shorter distances and a well-developed road system make trucks the primary means of transportation, equipped with cooling and ventilation systems. While the United States enforces stricter food safety regulations to ensure pigs are transported in optimal conditions, China is gradually improving its standards. China is beginning to use new technologies such as temperature monitoring, but the United States has widely deployed these technologies to optimize transportation and maintain meat quality. If China's focus is on providing low-cost domestic pork, the United States' focus is on ensuring high-quality pork for export. In general, both countries face challenges such as minimizing stress on pigs, preventing disease, and protecting the environment during transport. The treatment of pigs at slaughterhouses in China and the U.S. differs in several key ways. In China, practices can vary widely, with some facilities adhering to modern standards while others may lag behind in terms of animal welfare and hygiene. The focus is often on meeting high production volumes, which can sometimes impact the overall treatment of pigs. In contrast, U.S. slaughterhouses generally follow stringent regulations and industry standards designed to ensure humane treatment and high food safety standards. These include requirements for stunning pigs prior to slaughter to minimize stress and pain. U.S. facilities also frequently use advanced technology to enhance efficiency and maintain cleanliness. While both countries strive to improve practices, the U.S. typically enforces stricter animal welfare and food safety protocols compared to China. The United States leads the way in modern pork processing thanks to superior technology and strict regulations, while China is just catching up and developing. That said, investing in modern technology and adhering to strict standards is key to driving the industry forward. Learn more about the cutting-edge technologies in pork processing at food plants around the world at Trending Farm right after clicking the subscribe button. Pig farming technology in China shows considerable diversity, ranging from manual methods to cutting-edge innovations. There have been significant recent investments in new technologies to increase productivity and improve product quality. Despite these advances, many farms continue to rely on traditional practices to manage their pigs, reflecting the industry's mix of old and new methods. This combination of technologies highlights China's ongoing efforts to modernize its pig farming industry while preserving valuable traditional knowledge. Automation in swine farming in the United States is essential, especially in large-scale food plants where it is a top priority. These food plants use advanced automated systems, such as environmental control systems, to precisely manage temperature, humidity, lighting, and ventilation, creating optimal living conditions for pigs. Health monitoring systems, equipped with sensors and image analysis, detect and respond to abnormalities in pig behavior and health, providing early warnings to managers. Additionally, cleaning robots help reduce manual labor and improve sanitation on farms. Information technology, including management software and big data analytics, further streamlines production in these food plants, while traceability systems ensure food safety. Although the initial investment in automation is high, the benefits in terms of increased productivity and superior meat quality are crucial to maintaining competitiveness in the global market. In China, pig farms vary widely in scale, from traditional small-scale operations to expansive modern food factories. Recently, there has been a significant push towards large-scale food factories as part of efforts to enhance productivity and reduce costs. This shift is heavily influenced by state policies that support the development of larger, more automated facilities to ensure food security and improve efficiency. Automation and standardization have notably increased in these food factories in recent years, aligning with China's goal of optimizing pork production to meet growing demand. As the country continues to balance diverse farm sizes, the emphasis remains on achieving higher productivity and maintaining consistent food supply standards. In stark contrast to the farming trends in China, in the United States, pig farming is characterized by large-scale, highly industrialized food plants. These facilities are equipped with advanced automation systems that increase productivity and reduce labor costs, making large-scale operations economically viable. This focus on large-scale production is driven by the need to reduce costs, increase profits, and maintain competitiveness in the global market. U.S. farms and food plants also adhere to strict food hygiene, safety, and environmental protection standards in line with international regulations. While China is pushing to ensure food security, pig farming in the United States is mainly aimed at exporting to other countries. What do you think about the development direction of the livestock industry in these two leading pork-producing countries? Feed plays a major role in China's pig farming industry, where farmers use a mix of traditional and modern ingredients to meet the nutritional needs of their herds. Key ingredients include soybeans for protein, corn for energy, fish meal and meat for amino acids, and grains such as wheat and barley. Minerals, vitamins, and additives such as antibiotics and probiotics are also essential. China's diverse climate allows for a wide range of feed ingredients, and farmers focus on reducing costs by using local resources and improving feed quality through technology. Trends include the use of agricultural byproducts in industrial feed production, although challenges such as food safety, environmental impact, and price volatility persist. Leave comment 1 if you've ever thought about feeding your herd locally. Pig feed in the US, like in China, includes core ingredients such as corn and soybeans, along with fish meal, meat meal, vitamins, and minerals. However, in the US, feed formulas are more scientifically developed, with precise calculations tailored to each stage of pig development, ensuring high quality and compliance with strict international food safety standards. In U.S. food factories, advanced technology and stringent regulations shape feed production, focusing on reducing antibiotic use and promoting pig gut health. Unlike China, where agricultural byproducts are more common, U.S. feed production is highly standardized, reflecting the country's emphasis on quality and safety in food factories. After processing, the meat is cleaned, weighed, and packaged for distribution. The entire process is designed to minimize stress on the animals and maximize hygiene, ensuring the meat is safe for consumption. The final product is usually sold fresh, but can also be frozen or processed for export, particularly to markets with growing interest in guinea pig meat, such as the United States and parts of Europe. This comprehensive approach not only meets domestic demand, but also opens up new avenues for international trade in guinea pig meat, highlighting its growing position in the global meat market. The journey of raising millions of guinea pigs for meat not only reveals the complex farming practices involved, but also the cultural significance of this protein source in many communities. Leave your thoughts on the journey from farm to table of guinea pigs below Trending Farm's farming documentary. Your understanding contributes to the development of our community. Each subscription to your channel helps us have the motivation to produce more effective videos every day. Trending Farm thanks you for your companionship and see you in the next videos on the channel. Guinea pig farms, particularly in Peru and Ecuador, are meticulously designed to cater to the increasing demand for meat production, reflecting the cultural significance of this protein source in these regions. A typical guinea pig farm can accommodate thousands of animals in compact, multi-tiered pens, maximizing space efficiency by housing up to 20 guinea pigs per square meter. The farms highlighted in this farming documentary can produce as many as 15,000 guinea pigs each week, with a growth cycle of approximately 6 to 12 weeks to reach market weight, usually between 2 and 3 pounds. Unlike farms that raise guinea pigs as pets, the focus here is on rapid growth, high turnover, and effective resource management, all vital for sustaining a profitable operation. Facilities are equipped with climate-controlled barns to ensure a stable environment for the animals, along with specialized feeding systems designed to deliver a balanced diet efficiently. This combination of technology and farming practices not only enhances productivity, but also prioritizes the health and welfare of the guinea pigs, ultimately supporting the industry's growth. Guinea pigs have unique nutritional needs that set them apart from other farm animals, making their nutrition an important aspect of successful farming. To take a closer look at how to manage guinea pig diets on a large scale, Trending Farm's farming documentary delves into the feeding practices and methods that ensure healthy, fast-growing guinea pigs for meat production. Unlike livestock that can consume a wide variety of foods, guinea pigs need a high-fiber diet rich in fresh hay, leafy greens, and nutrient-dense pellets to support their delicate digestive systems. On farms, guinea pigs consume about 1 to 2 ounces of pellets and a cup of vegetables per day, with hay always available. Since guinea pigs cannot produce their own vitamin C, their diet must be carefully supplemented to ensure healthy growth. In some areas, farmers combine local crops such as alfalfa and corn husks to reduce costs while maintaining nutritional standards. Did you know a guinea pig's diet plays an important role in their fertility and reproductive health, especially when breeding on farms? Unlike many other animals, guinea pigs do not have a specific breeding season and can mate all year round if given the right conditions. Click the like button below this farming documentary to learn more about breeding guinea pigs on guinea pig farms. In general, on farms, stable temperatures, clean living environments, and adequate space are essential to maintain a healthy breeding cycle. Female guinea pigs, or sows, can give birth to 3 to 4 litters per year, with each pregnancy lasting approximately 59 to 72 days. Baby guinea pigs or pups are born fully furred and weigh approximately 3 to 4 ounces. Their eyes are open, and they can walk within a few hours of birth, showing remarkable development. Puppies also have fully developed teeth, allowing them to begin eating solid food within a few days. Processing guinea pigs for meat involves a number of detailed steps to ensure quality and efficiency, reflecting the growing popularity of this protein source, especially in South American countries. On average, processing facilities can process up to 15,000 guinea pigs per week, at a cost ranging from $3 to $5 per guinea pig, depending on the market and demand. Guinea pig meat has become popular not only for its unique flavor but also for its nutritional benefits, making it a staple in many traditional dishes. Processing methods for guinea pigs differ significantly from those used for larger livestock. Once they arrive at the facility, guinea pigs are typically placed in a holding area to acclimate. They are then humanely processed, a technically different method than larger animals that require more complex machinery. The animals are skinned and their internal organs removed, a process that is done by hand due to their small size. Workers use specialized tools designed for precision so that the processing is thorough and does not affect the quality of the guinea pig meat.